Welcome to the architectural journey of Villa Varoise, an elegant home nestled in the serene landscapes of southern France. This home, designed by NADAAA, harmonizes modern living with the natural beauty of the region. The villa features a series of interconnected, clean-lined volumes that blend into the sloping landscape. The architecture follows the traditional layout of enclosed courtyards, creating privacy while enhancing the connection to the outdoors. The structure is built with reinforced concrete, offering strength and stability, especially in the arched elements that define the home's exterior. This concrete construction ensures durability while serving as a canvas for minimalist aesthetics. The villa is designed around a central courtyard that allows light and air to permeate the interior spaces. Living areas are on the upper level, where large windows frame panoramic views of the surrounding olive trees and vineyards. The lower level, meanwhile, houses private spaces, including bedrooms and a reading area that opens directly onto the landscape. Natural light enters through large southern-facing windows and skylights embedded in the vaulted ceiling. At night, the house is illuminated by an integrated system, emphasizing architectural features and creating a warm ambience. The villa uses local materials, including stone and custom-made concrete, in order to respect regional zoning laws and maintain harmony with the landscape. The interior features custom cabinetry and high-end finishes such as Bissazza tiles and bespoke countertops that lend the house a refined touch. The interior spaces are characterized by simplicity and functionality. Custom-built furniture, neutral color schemes, and natural materials like wood and stone complement the modern yet warm atmosphere of the home. Each room opens to the outdoors, blurring the boundary between indoor and outdoor spaces. The landscaping of the residence is designed to complement the architectural forms and enhance the connection with nature. Lush, native vegetation surrounds the house, creating a sense of privacy and tranquility. Villa Varoise is a perfect marriage of architecture and nature, where modern design embraces the historical and cultural context of southern France. This home showcases a refined, minimalist aesthetic while prioritizing connection to the landscape and sustainable living.